Welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. Today we are going to learn about Heatmap. What is Heatmap? A heatmap is a graphical representation of data visualizing values using colors. It is a two-dimensional representation where the data is organized in a matrix or grid format, and each cell in the matrix is assigned a color based on its value. What is the uses? It helps to display the correlation matrix, and it can be used to display the changes over time data variation. Let's see how we can implement this heat map. Okay, so first we need some data. So let's go to this get data and select the file. Okay, I'm selecting the Superstore data file. Now it's taking a little bit time. Okay, now click on load. Okay, now this data is populating. Okay, now my table is ready. First, let's see what all the columns we have. Okay. First, we'll create one calculated measure based on our different values like profit. So total profit equal to sum of profit Okay, this total profit is ready. Now again we are going to create another measure. This total sales equal to sum of sales. Okay, so two of my measures are ready. I've just selected one matrix view and I'm going to select some of the field here. Let's select this date column. I'm just removing this day, week, month, quarter, and keeping only the year values. Okay, let me pause this visual. Now I'm selecting these measure values. Okay, just refreshing this one. Okay, let's close it. Now I'm going to select this category 1. And for this profit value, I'm just selecting the conditional formatting, and from here you can select, there is a lowest value, the color is light green, and here light blue, and here is a deep blue. So I'm just selecting something like this yellow color, and from here let me select something different. Okay, this color looks good. Okay, so your first set of heat map is ready, where based on the color from the lowest value to highest value, this color is denoting the value difference. Okay, let me close this thing. Okay, so now your first heat map is ready. So this is a matrix view. Let me select something table view. From the table view also, I think we can create the similar type of heat map. So I'm selecting all those columns in the similar way, and from the profit I'm just trying to add the similar conditional formatting, the background color, and just selecting the color like yellow and something like this green, because my profit is from lowest to highest. Now this table is also denoting the heat map. Two graphs are ready. One is matrix view and another is table view. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friend.